A couple of months ago, I brought you a video about XCAD, which I was using to make money by watching YouTube videos in crypto. And now I've found a way to make even more money, making over $150 per day just by watching YouTube videos. I'm going to explain exactly how you can do it in this video. I'm even going to show you proof so you can know that it is not too good to be true. Guys, hit the like button and let's dive into this video. Now guys, if you watched this video a couple of months ago and jumped on board, then maybe you're one of the people who've been hitting me up continuously, showing me just how much money you've been making by holding these NFTs. I've got one guy in my community, he's been making well over $250 every single day just by watching YouTube videos. It is not too good to be true, I promise you that. Now, XCAD was brought around a few years ago, and it's originally been invested in by the likes of Mr. Beast and KSI, two of the biggest YouTubers out there. It's in order to help reward equally the people who are watching and creating videos on YouTube. And you're like, well, this sounds a bit too good to be true. Well, guys, in the past, we had Steppen, which was a move to earn, and this meant that people could go out walking their dogs, going for runs, etc., and make money just by doing these things as long as they held the NFT. So it's the next progression that we now have Watch to Earn. And Watch to Earn Revolution is supported by some of the biggest YouTubers out there. Simply, you basically hold an NFT, and when you go to watch videos on YouTube, as long as they're by creators that are associated with XCAD, then you will earn a reward depending on the size of the NFT or the level of NFT which you hold. Now, in that video that I made a few months back, I minted an NFT, and you can see that my NFT earnings ever since then have been 21.2 thousand play tokens, which has been worth $1.52 thousand or $1,520. And that was from using a rare NFT. And XCAD have just announced that they are launching the next level, the legendary NFT, with huge earning potential. We're going to mint one of those later on, and look at how much I'm managing to make from that as well. Now, in order to get started and pick up one of these NFTs, well, you need to use the code, which I will leave down below in the description, and then you're going to come across to Google Chrome extensions, and you're going to download the XCAD extension here. And then what you can do is you can come up, you can log in, and you will need to use that code, which is in the description, to put in so you can log in and get started there. Now, before we look at what you can go and do in terms of buying the NFT, and we will take you through that, let's just look at XCAD on CoinMarketCap. Now, XCAD is the token that is used within the network. You can see the market cap currently sat at $56 million. This is no small project, guys. It's been around for a while, and it is heavily endorsed by some of the top crypto names out there. Now, what's really important about the whole process is it's now gearing towards bringing the rest of YouTube followers and YouTube viewers into the Web3 world. There's many people out there who love to just watch YouTube videos and have nothing to do with crypto. But if they can start to understand how they can make money in this particular area, then they will start getting involved in crypto. This is a very positive move for the entire crypto market, in my opinion, and something I'm very excited about. Now, if you're wondering, well, what's the real benefit of people being involved in this platform? Well, you as a viewer, obviously now you can make additional income, but me as a creator, it's my main goal to keep people on videos as long as possible. The longer someone watches my video, the more it tells YouTube that my video is something worth watching, and that is in turn gonna give YouTube more results in terms of money made, but also me, it's going to put my videos out to more people. So it's more than beneficial for everyone who participates in this particular area. Now, there is two tokens that you will come across here, the XCAD token, which is a utility token, and you can stake this token in order to generate more rewards. And around 5% of all XCAD tokens are being staked as we speak. There's other things you can do in order to get further liquidity. There's various creator rewards tokens, and you can also get powers of creator tokens within the DEX. Now, the team itself you can find down below, all very transparent. You can go through and find out more information about all these people, and then you can come down and see all of the information about the tokenomics. This is a very exciting program, guys, and we are very early on within the roadmap. You can see that there is lots more features coming out, particularly things where you can upgrade your NFT to even encourage more earnings and so much more. Now, I get it, you're here, you want to know exactly how much money you can make from one of these NFTs. So what we're going to do is learn how to mint an NFT, and then from there, we're going to see what we can make. Now, what we need to do, guys, is click on where it says play and then click on buy the NFT. Now you can see there are lots of different NFTs here, varying in price from the basic, which is a little less expensive, around $184, and then it ranges all the way up to the legendary. Now you're like, well, what's the point? Well, guys, if you hold one of these NFTs, you can have a resale on it, okay? But also by earning, it takes around 50 days for it to get profitable. Now you're like, well, what's the point in that? Well, one, you hold the NFT and you can resell that NFT if you want, but after 50 days, you are in pure profit. So right now, if you go and mint an NFT, you can make up to $150 per day. And if you hold like 5 of those, that's literally like $750 every single day that you're going to get just by watching a few YouTube videos. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. So what we're going to do is come across and we are going to go through and find the different ones. So we can see that we have a common NFT, coming up a little bit, mystery NFT, where you can either get a common or a rare. So it's a bit of a roll of the dice. If you get a rare, then you obviously can have huge earning potential, making around $45 per day. And then if you get up to legendary, which might seem a little steep, you can make up to $150 per day. That's like $4,500 every single month. And I'm not even joking, $4,500 per month just by watching 5 YouTube videos. And I promise you guys, it is not too good to be true. It is not a scam. It's nothing like that, okay? Crypto has incredible opportunities for those people who are prepared to have a bit of a roll of the dice and get on out there. Obviously, there are things in crypto that you need to pay attention to, and you should only ever invest money that you can afford to lose, and only be prepared to take risks if it's something you're comfortable with. Now, what you need to do here, you need to click on buy BNB to have the amount of crypto that you need, and then from there, you can go ahead and mint your NFT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go away and mint that NFT, and then I'm going to go away and watch a few videos and bring back to you with my earnings to see exactly how I've been getting on. So guys, I will see you slightly later on. Now, something else really important that we need to mention when we're talking about this project is the XCAD token itself, the XCAD Network token. This offers the opportunity to be able to do things like staking. But most importantly, if you're actually holding the XCAD token itself, then this is really what's going on. If we jump across to the House of Chimera, you can see the total value locked of tokens over time. And I've talked about this in a few videos I've made recently for the likes of Cardano. And as you can see, the level of circulating supply is climbing, but the locked XCAD is also climbing. So this is really important because it's starting to lock up tokens, because that means it reduces the supply. And the laws of supply and demand, as you start to reduce the number of supply and the demand comes in, because as you've probably noticed, XCAD is now literally everywhere. We've got the likes of ALTCOIN Daily and Crypto Mason and various other big YouTubers talking about it. Guys, it's pretty obvious that we could be seeing XCAD token making some moves. So sometimes taking profits maybe out of the NFTs and putting them into XCAD, then locking it up, could be a great way to see some real good gains going forward. As we look across the XCAD network over on CoinMarketCap, you can see, yeah, the price has been in the past up around $6.9 back January 22. Obviously, that was pretty much the bull market. We're in line here. We're having a nice cool off, and now we're starting to see a bit of a push towards the upside. This could be the start of something very interesting for XCAD. Okay, guys, now you can see I have minted my NFT, and you can see there's a few different features here: stamina, reputation, etc. Now, reputation, obviously, if it's higher, I can make more money. And after watching a certain amount of views, I have to repair my NFT, okay? So it does cost a little bit to repair an NFT, something like 1 video's watch total to repair an NFT, but it is around 50 to 55 days until you pay off the NFT, and you can work out how much the NFT costs and work out your daily kind of average rate there. Once you've gone through all your repairs, then you can carry on watching your videos. You can watch 5 videos per day. Now, what you can do once you've minted your NFT to find videos you can watch, you can come down below. You can see all of the different channels available to you, of which there are literally thousands. You've got crypto channels, you've got football channels, anything you want, guys. And you can even watch short videos, shorts, and still make gains. Now, guys, while we're waiting for those videos to load, you can see this is the XCAD token and how it's been growing. 5% nearly locked away. And this is being talked about everywhere across YouTube and Twitter. It's not too good to be true, guys, and I'm going to show you right this second why I'm so excited about this. So this is the NFT that I minted, and I actually minted it a few days ago, and I've been watching various videos, and I want to show you the proof of how much money this NFT has been making me. Now, what we can do is come down below, and you can see right now I've watched my 5 videos for the day. It does say it's sports, so I can watch sports videos with this NFT and make more, but you can watch anything, guys. Really, it doesn't seem to make a huge amount of difference. I've just been watching videos that I like to watch about crypto or cooking, whatever it is, right? Now you can see that it's made $628. And you're like, well, how hard did you have to work to get that? Well, guys, more details. Let's have a look. Pending views, none. NFT views, 25 views has made $628. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 628 divided by 25. And you can see that each video has been making me around $25 or just over $25. And that means that if I have 5 videos I can watch every day, I make $125.6 every single day just from this one NFT. And I've got that other NFT I've been using to make like $40 a day. It's $165 every single day just from watching 5 YouTube videos. This is 10 YouTube videos. If you have 2 NFTs, you have to watch 5 videos for each NFTs. But you can watch short videos, guys, and you don't even have to have them watching. You don't have to watch them. Just put them on another tab and you can watch them in the background. And why is this such a big deal? Well, in a month of 30 days, I'll make around $3,700. And over a year, that's like $45,000. Guys, I know this sounds too good to be true, but I wouldn't be partnering up with XCAD if I didn't fully believe in this product. I've been using it, like I showed you, since that last video I made a couple of months ago, and it's been so cool. I don't know how it works, I don't understand everything about it, but all I know is it's making me money, and it's so cool and exciting right now. Now, obviously, there's risks with any crypto, so make sure you do your research into this. You find out link down below, XCAD, you can go and find out some more information. If you want to sign up and use the NFT, make sure you have to use the code, which I've left in the description below, and that's going to enable you to access the XCAD extension and be able to go ahead and get yourselves NFTs. Once you basically get these rewards, what you can do is they will be claimed each day. You can claim the rewards. You can see I've already claimed for today. You can see that at the moment there's no unclaimed tokens, but every day I just claim them. You can then either put them into XCAD and stake them to earn further rewards, or you can simply change them into BNB and then send yourself BNB wherever you want to. Now that's literally what I wake up to every morning, and I've just been doing that consistently every single day, guys. It's so cool to just be making this passive income. Now, obviously, you do have to pay for those NFTs up front, which is why I tell you it takes about 55 days of earnings to basically clear the cost of the NFT. Then you have an NFT, which if you want, you can sell it on the open market. You can see that you can sell NFTs down below if you wish. You can buy other NFTs from other people, which is very cool. And as well as that, in the future, you're going to be able to do things like battle them. You're going to be able to find different ways you can upgrade your NFT so you can make even more gains from it. And there's going to be so much more coming up. You've even seen the roadmap. You know how much is coming up in the horizon, guys. Really, really cool. If you don't understand this or you want to learn more about it, then I'd recommend going across to the website. If that doesn't answer your question, guys, go to the link for the free Telegram, link down below, and you can ask myself, you can ask other people who've been using these NFTs and have experience of actually making money. One of the guys in my Discord, as I said earlier, has got 5 of the NFTs from the last video, and he's making around $250 every single day just by watching videos on YouTube. It's so simple, so straightforward, and I promise you guys, it's worth checking out. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to know more about NFTs, crypto, and much, much more, subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.